Hey everyone, one of the awaited features for the iOS devices that was available already for the Android ones was the Swype. It's now released for the iOS devices, but it's for the jailbroken iPhones and the iPad. So you need to have the CDI app installed in their phone through the jailbreaking process. And here is how you can use the Swype. First you need to install it. In the CDI app you need to go to the sources through manage. In the sources you have to hit edit and add a new source. We have added it already. It's wynd.extend.mx. Done. Here you would see the Swype. You need to install Swype from here. This is a Swype installation process going on. Once the installation is done, it would ask you to restart the Springboard. So here the entire device is not getting restarted, but the Springboard interface is getting restarted. Now you can test out the Swype. Open the notes. Add a new note. Unlike the Android one, in which you get the different dedicated keypad for the Swype, here you have to use the same keypad. This is the normal typing. And for the Swype, you need to drag your key. The response is not as good as that for the Android because it's still unofficial. There would be errors. This is one of the problems where you need to manually press the spacebar. In the Android, you need to you can just go on with the next word so that the spacebar automatically comes in. So this is how you can install the Swype and use it. It makes the typing easier and faster for people who write many notes and mails through their iOS devices. Thank you for watching.